This is Pratisha. I'm admin of this project and my teammates are Akshita, Dhruva and Pratyusha. Our project title is Magic Royal Hotels. It is a static website, comes under the domain of lifestyle. In this project, Akshita worked on managing the web development project and Pratyusha took responsibility for managing the documentation process and Dhruva collected the question and answers for the content and I'm working on deployment and maintenance of project infrastructure. Now I'm going to show the process of deploying the static website in Azure portal. Firstly, log into Azure portal. Now I am using the free trial. After login to portal, click on create resources and search for storage account. Select the storage account and click on create. In this creation process, we should provide the basic details regarding subscription and resource group. I have created the resource group as Magic Hotels and I am giving the storage account name as Royal and region is as East US and coming to advanced. In this blob storage, we have to enable the allow cross-tenant replication. Then others can leave it as default or we can change based on our requirements. Then review plus content. Click on create. Initializing and deployment process takes time. It's time. Here we can see your deployment is complete. Then go to resources. Search for static website. Click on static website in storage account. When static website opens, by default, it will be in disabled mode. We have to enable it. In this index document name, I'm giving project.html. In error document part, I'm giving as 404. If in case any error occurs or server may downs, it will be occurring as 404 error code. Then click on save. Here primary endpoint and secondary endpoint will be generated. Now go to containers. We already created a static website. Click on web and click on upload. Upload your files from the local files. Here we can see that files uploading. So by block files uploaded. Now go to containers. In containers, here we have static website. Copy this primary endpoint and paste it in a new web page. Check the overview of the website. This is our overview of our website: home, accommodations, leisure and facilities, and this is the login page. Meetings and blankets. In data management, in left side we have the data protection. Click on it. Enable the Azure backups for blobs. Now create backup vault as creating a new backup vault. Hotels. And click on create. Here initialization deployment is happening. In backup vault, click on manage identity. This identity used for rollback assessment. Click on Azure role assignment. Then click on add role assessment. Here I am giving scope as storage, subscription as free trial, and resource as selecting the role as owner. Then click on save. Here you can see adding role assignment. Added role assignment. Here it was completed. Now go to data protection. And we have to add backup policy also. Here, create new. Then give the name of policy name as this. Then click on review plus create. Then leave others as default. Then click on create. Here creating policies takes some time. Here policies were created. Then till now storage services and Azure backup services were completed. Now we are going to see Azure AI services. Search for Q&A maker. Q&A maker. Click on create and click on language resources. Then select custom question and answering. Then continue to create your resource. This QA service for chatbot. Now filling these fields as subscription as free trial, resource group name as Magic Royal Hotels, and I'm giving the name as Magic Instance. Pricing tank, I'm giving 1K calls per minute. Then click on review plus create. Now click on create. Here initializing and deployment is going on. We can see the resources which are deploying, and deployment is in progress. These are the resources: Azure AI services and search service. Search service. Here we can say our deployment is complete. Then we can go to resource group. In order to select the language, we have to click on Magic Instance and scroll down. Then go to Language Studio. You have to sign in. Here, keep Azure directory as default, and coming to Azure subscription, give as free trial. Then coming to resource type, decide keep like that only language, and coming to resource name as Royal. Here, click on done. Then click on create new. And here choose custom question answering. Then select language English. Then select the language as English. Next, click on next. And project name as Magic Royal Hotels. And coming to description, it's a business. And click on next. Then click on create project. Got it. Click on add source on files. And next add file. Giving file name as file. Then choose the file. Now click on add-on. Here adding sources. So here it was successfully completed. Now click on AI bot questions. Here we can see all the questions and with respect to their answers. Now we have to deploy this. So press on deploy. Next, click on deploy. Here, Magic Royal Hotel is deploying in processes. It takes some time. We completed successfully. Then click on create a bot. If you click that, it will get interface like this. We have to fill these fields. Then click on next. Then we have to select as create new app service plan. Then after, then press on review plus create. We got some error as validation failed, required information is missing or not valid. Okay, we will check. Go to web app. Okay, we got an error as language resource key. We have to provide a key, which is in deployment knowledge base. So now we have to redirect to into deploy knowledge base. Then press on settings. Then go to resources. Here we can see the resource key. Copy this resource key. Then we have to paste in that. Here. Okay. Then go to next. Then click on create. Then click on create. Here bot is getting deployed. Deployment is in progress. Here your deployment is completed. Then go to resource group. Here we can find the resources till now we have done. Now you have to click on bot. Now in the left side we are getting as a channel. Click on channel. Now add Microsoft Teams. And click on I agree to the Microsoft channel publication terms and Microsoft privacy statements for my deployment to the Microsoft terms channels. Then click on agree. Then click on apply. Microsoft Teams channel enabled. It takes some time. Now you press on close. Then you can see this all are in healthy. Now click on web chat and click on default site. Here we can see the secret code, secret keys and embedded code. Now copy this code. And then we have to go to storage accounts. Then click here containers. Then go to web. Then chatbot.html. Click on edit. We have already copied, iframe, then paste over it. Then click on save. We have seen the secret code. Copy and paste here in place of your secret code here. Paste it and click on save. Your code is saved. Now we are going to home page. That is storage accounts. Click on that and click on royals and static website. And copy this primary endpoint. Paste it in a new web page. This is our project overview. Home, accommodation, leisure facilities, and meetings, banquets, dining, login, register, chatbot. This is the login page. This is the accommodation, deluxe rooms, superior rooms, luxury rooms, and all. Then coming to leisure and facilities. These are the coming under leisure and facilities. This is coming to dining, Jalti room, party hall, lotus room. This is the login page. If you already have registered, you have to log in here. And this is the chatbot. Click on chatbot. If we have any queries or if you want any service regarding this, we can search on here. Like now I will search one. How do I search for hotels in a specific location? Click on enter. Whatever the questions we are asking, it will give the response to this. That's all. This is the overview of our website. Thank you.